Did you just say Herr Leibniz?
Leibniz was a copy man.
Leibniz was not real, you know that?
Do you know Leibniz was copy man?
Well, he wasn't even a copy man. He wasn't real.
He copied. All right.
Nobody went to his funeral except his tax collector. You know that?
This is how you
His
make
accountant.
two idiots mad.
I'm gonna give them the problem and they're gonna solve. I intentionally created all those problems based on F equal ma. Since they both are very bad with F equal ma, I'm sure they're gonna. Okay, let's go then.
Okay.
Before that, I'm gonna ask you a few more questions, physics question. If I throw this one at the max side, what is the velocity?
0.
Is it equilibrium at the max side?
No.
It's never.
That's a trick question. What you wanted me to say yes? I have a physics master's at Brown. Is it 1.84?
I think it's 1.84.
Oh, dude!
What are you doing?
You used differential equations and still got it wrong.
It's
So easy. Oh, maybe you're in degrees instead of radians. Wait, is it 34 meters per second?
Is it 20 meters per second?
The speed.
The y
Yeah.
velocity.
Y velocity is 20.
Are we supposed to find the
The
total?
speed. We want to find the speed.
Okay.
It's not 34?
No.
Oh.
Oh, so it's 28.2.
28. Okay. Very nice. Welcome to weekly physics show. I'm gonna invite two students, one from Brown University, please come, and one from NYU, please come. Why we celebrate Einstein's birthday on Pi Day?
Oh, because it's a coincidence.
No, most people think it's a coincidence.
Okay, what are you talking
It
about?
could have been.
He could have been born on any other day.
He could
But,
have been born on 313
but no,
or
no.
315.
No, it's
But
actually.
the God.
In fact, it's
No.
statistically likely that more children are born in the September to October season.
Now,
Okay.
okay. Tell me that
Wait,
one.
wait,
Why
wait.
Isaac Newton then born on Christmas Day? You
No.
You're gonna say that's also a coincidence?
No, I can
No.
explain the
No,
Einstein
He
law.
wasn't born on
Because
Christmas Day.
What
the
do you mean he
ratio
was not
of a
born?
circle's circumference diameter is not 3.14.
Now he is saying that Sir Isaac Newton was not born on Christmas Day.
I think he's just trying to make us angry.
I'm rage baiting. Wait,
Nobody in the world doubts that Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day,
Okay,
except
so
one person.
if he was born on Christmas Day, then my birthday must have been on March 20th.
Okay, no.
That makes no sense.
March 20th, 2012.
At that time.
Was I born on March 20th?
At that time, we were using the calendar. According to the calendar, he was born on Christmas Day, 25 December.
Yeah, but according to the calculator we use nowadays.
The calculator?
The calendar.
I heard.
All right,
Are you deaf? Yeah, you're deaf.
No,
Okay, so now,
Bro.
So, all right, very good. So, speaking of two giants, one is Sir Isaac Newton, one is Albert Einstein. If alien come, right, would their physics be a little different than us? Would their physics also be based on calculus?
Yes, it's a fundamental way to look at the world. There's no other way.
What do you think? Would their physics also be based on calculus? Or their physics would be
There's
based on...
no other formulation of calculus.
They have to make the exact same physical predictions as us because they live in the same universe.
So would their...
Yeah, so they're mathematical predictions, even if they look at it with intuition a slightly different
So
way.
would their velocity also...
Like the difference between Eulerian and Lagrangian.
So would their velocity also be the
dynamics.
first derivative?
Yes.
Would their acceleration be second derivative?
Yes.
That's why I told you all along. If you give me F equal ma, I can give you the God himself.
What? Did you just say Herr Leibniz?
Leibniz was a copy man.
Leibniz was not real, you know that?
Do you know Leibniz was copy man?
Well, he wasn't even a copy man. He wasn't real.
He copied. All right.
Nobody went to his funeral except his tax collector. You know that?
This is how you
His
make
accountant.
two idiots mad.
I'm gonna give them the problem and they're gonna solve. I intentionally created all those problems based on F equal ma. Since they both are very bad with F equal ma, I'm sure they're gonna... Okay, let's go then. What's gonna do what? Oscillate.
Oscillate, yeah.
But remember,
Oh my
there is a
God.
friction, wood on wood, which you're gonna use 0.3 mu k. You're gonna find the velocity.
Mhm.
You find the speed at the equilibrium. That's it.
Oh, this is easy. Just a basic second order differential equation.
What the hell?
That's what happens when you don't know physics. You always overcomplicate.
Huh?
Okay. Dad, can we use a calculator or?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go bring a calculator.
Oh, I hear.
Yeah, keep using that.
Okay. All right. So, mommy, how do I do an integral? Mommy?
It's not
Mommy?
an integral, dude. Are you stupid?
Baby boy really didn't know how to do physics. He started to overcomplicate things. Bro, I already got the answer. What are you doing?
You have to shut up.
Not if I got the answer. Trivial. This is so trivial.
That's really nice.
What?
Let me put. I don't have a calculator.
Here, you can have one.
Okay. Both deserve a scientific calculator.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Huh? I think I got the answer. What?
Take that. Use the other one. This is not one.
I think I got the answer there.
What?
Is it a...
It's not square root 2. Sorry.
Wait, what? Oh, shit. Frick. Oh, I... Frick. Yeah.
What the hell? New page created? What? What?
Oh.
It's bullshitting me. What?
You just have to go back.
Oh.
Sorry, baby.
You are welcome. You know I did that.
What?
How are you gonna do that? He
What?
he didn't even touch your board. He's not a gravity. He doesn't work without touch.
Oh, that was so satisfying. Oh my god. I can feel the satisfaction fill my being. Is that weird? Okay, that means it'll take exactly 4.29 seconds to reach equilibrium. But now we have to plug that into the velocity equation, which is...
This guy is dumb.
What?
That's called
No, maybe I'm just doing this the more sophisticated.
what did he use? Calculus?
Yes, I'm using differential equations.
It's like you use atom bomb to kill an ant.
Yeah.
The ant will say why? Why?
Okay, I'm gonna wager until 1.99.
Oh, is it 1.84?
I think it's 1.84.
Oh!
Yeah.
Dude.
What are you doing, Hugo?
You used differential equations and still got it wrong.
It's
So easy. Or maybe you're in degrees instead of radians.
Yeah, this smartboard is lucky. It's being used for physics.
Yeah.
Anytime you're being used for physics, you're lucky. Sir Isaac Newton.
Hey, Rifat, would you like me to strip you naked so that I can write physics equations on you?
Okay, oh no.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
check that. We are
Okay.
on live camera.
Okay,
Come
okay.
on. Come over here. Okay.
But it's like nonsensical to say you're lucky if you're being used for physics.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I take that joke. All right. So you watching?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Would you like
Can
to
you-
be a tree so that
Okay.
somebody could carve
Yeah,
physics
Can
equations?
you consider this one as a steel?
Okay.
Can you consider this one as a spring? Can you say that spring is compressed 0.1? Can you say this one is a steel box, 1 kilogram? Can you imagine that the box is released immediately? This is 30 degree. This is also still.
Is the ramp stationary?
Yeah. Ramp's not gonna move. This is H and this is D.
Yeah, I was just thinking, like, what is the effect of the box hitting the ramp?
Okay. So the K, no, yeah, it's stationary. Ramp cannot move. Let's say this is 10,000, for lack of a better number.
Why not 1,000?
Because 10,000 is bigger number.
So why not 100?
Because 10,000 is sweet. Okay. So what are you gonna do? I'm sure you follow my logic here. The reason I'm doing 10,000 is you're gonna get a answer which is 1.
Oh, I got it.
Find the D. I think not 1, 5. Answer is 5.
D is 5.
Okay, go. 5.
Wait,
Okay, go.
I got it.
Wait, the delta x is 0.1.
Delta x is 0.1, and still on the still is 0.5.
Okay.
Friction.
Yeah, 0.57. Okay, let's go. Let's see who gets.
Wait, is there friction on the ramp?
Yeah, it's still on the steel. I said.
Oh, the ramp is steel.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Everything is steel.
Thank you. Wait. So the box is going to slide for a little bit on this floor before actually going up the ramp.
Ignore that part. Ignore that part.
Okay. Well, I'll go the primitive way this time.
See, that's the problem when you don't believe in Salajek Newton. Grab believe in Salajek Newton.
But I literally used F equals MX double dot.
Oh, you did, yeah.
This guy's a genius. And he's not using F equals MA, he's using conservation of
No, I used F equals MA to derive the conservation.
Okay, so you're just lying straight to his face now.
Okay.
And he'll believe it because he eats up posterized movie propaganda. When really Leibniz was the best scientist the world could have ever asked for.
Leibniz was not real.
Wait, so Leibniz was not real. How did his tax collector show up to his funeral?
That's how you have to prove someone is real. I'm so sad.
Obviously, that was a fabricated story made up by Sir Isaac Newton. When we know every big name of the physics world besides Newton himself showed up here.
Oh God.
Newton also said Hooke's funeral only had 3 people.
Oh, really? What's wrong with me? Oh, did you say that?
Well,
On live camera?
I don't actually know. Yes!
So human brain cannot process all information accurately. So I undo what I said.
I undo what I said. No, you don't.
Sir Isaac Newton, because of Sir Isaac Newton,
oh, poor guy, he's going back to the propaganda. Oh well, it was nice to see him while we could. Okay, we were trying to find D.
Is half the same as
The answer is
0.5?
10.
Answer is 5 actually.
No, height is 5.
No, maybe. D
Yes.
is-
No, the height is 5. D is 10. H is 5. D is 10.
All right, let me check your math. Okay, let me check your math. Okay, so, okay, all right, great.
Okay, I got D is 4.67.
Yeah, so 5.
Oh,
5.
seven.
Convert it to 5. Round it to 5. Okay.
Okay.
So half kx squared. Okay. So your PE is 50. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And you have what is against WF and what is against WG parallel.
No, but can you point out the mistake in my math before solving it yourself?
No. Let's see. I'm gonna do it very quickly.
No, it doesn't make sense to do it your way without pointing out the mistake in my math.
All right.
Where did I make a mistake?
So you use velocity is 10 meter per second. Velocity is not probably 10 meter per second.
The initial velocity.
You cannot say that this one is this one
crap.
because there is a friction.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Sorry. That was my.
It's moving with velocity 20 meter per second.
Okay.
At what? T is equal to 0. T equal to 0, height is equal to
0.
good.
Okay.
the mass of this one is, let's say,
So what are we gonna figure out?
we'll see, 10 raised to negative 10 kilogram. So far so good.
Mm-hmm.
There is a field. What is the direction of the field?
Down, south.
Good. So field is, let's say,
This is the direction of the force, not the field.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the direction of the force is this. The direction of the field is this, and magnitude is this. So far so good.
Yeah.
Isaac, can you tell us what is the
What are we gonna
at,
do?
so let's say this is L. L is equal to, let's say
10.
4 meters.
Okay.
And this is L. L is equal to
0.
0 meter.
Okay.
When L is 0, height is 0.
Okay.
When L is 4, where should the electron be?
Now we.
No, I did not ask you a
Yeah.
question. Good.
Well,
Not electron. I said electron by mistake.
Yeah, it should be going up, obviously.
You're gonna find the speed of this one. That's the problem.
Okay, so here's the problem with this question.
Yeah. No, there is nothing. I gave you everything.
Yeah, the force on this guy changes over time. So the force is always upward, but the magnitude changes. So we can't use kinematic equations.
Yeah, you can use. You can use kinematic equation.
No.
Yeah, you can use.
The force over here is not the same as the force over here.
No, we are talking about. I give you exactly L. If you find the time at L.
Yeah, but finding the it's not constant acceleration.
It is constant acceleration. In fact, acceleration is 100.
Is the force here the exact same as the force here? No, right?
Yes, because in a capacitor, the electric field is constant everywhere. So actually, the electric field here is the constant as the electric field here. It
Yeah,
might,
but how doesn't it make sense for if you're closer to the positive charge, you're
Yeah.
gonna have more force this way,
So-
and you're farther from the but you have less
Yeah.
force.
So this is actually a very counterintuitive. It's a good question. Just
Okay,
because
I
you're
see.
closer,
I
you want
see,
me to
I
explain? It's not trivial.
No.
Okay.
Oh my God! Shut up.
It's a capacitor.
As the
yes,
force
okay.
from this charge increases, the force from this charge decreases. I get it.
No, that's not why. But okay. Sure.
Huh?
Okay.
That's
All right. So you want to find this speed.
Yes.
It's
What am I doing again? Oh,
Q is 10 to the minus 6.
oh my God, I'm tired.
Oh, can I see the mass?
Okay, the Vx is 20.
10 to the minus 10.
no, mass is 10 to the minus 10 kilogram.
Okay. Okay. So Vf equals Vi plus Vt. F equals M. A equals
Oh wait, we already have the.
A is equal to Q E of M. Q 10 to the minus 6. E 10 to the minus 6. Okay. Is it 34 meters
No,
per second?
Is it 20 meters per second?
The speed.
The y
Yeah.
velocity.
Y velocity is 20.
Are we supposed to find the
The
total?
speed. We want to find the speed.
Okay.
It's not 34?
No,
Oh.
Oh, so it's 28.2.
28. Okay, very nice.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going 20 in the y and 20 in the x, so logically the speed is 20 rad 2.
How did you? Oh, okay, what is wrong with this? Can you see?
Okay.
I got the same acceleration, so what is?
Well, wait. Okay, acceleration is 10 to the 2. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Isaac, you're not.
I'm not sure why you would. Okay.
So Vf squared is Vi squared.
Okay, yeah, A is right.
2AD.
Okay. You're supposed to find the y velocity, right?
No, this is just the total. What?
This is the acceleration in the y direction. Wait.
Acceleration and the x direction is 0. What are you doing finding acceleration and the x direction?
Oh, this is.
Why are you putting 20 here?
So wait. So this is 0 in the beginning, but this is VIY.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is
It's a trick question.
tricky. Okay, so this is 0. So this is 0. So I just have square root of 800. So that's 28. Oh, this is 28. VFY is 28.
No, VFY is 20.
No.
No, VFX is 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, VFX is
VF
20.
total is 28.
No. What?
Isn't the total speed 28?
28.28.
Wait, but this is VFY. Look. I mean,
Well,
this
it's
is
also
VFY.
the total acceleration, no?
Bro, what? Okay,
Wait.
wait.
We're confusing.
Now, okay, wait. We agree.
Should I come?
No. We agree that the x velocity doesn't change.
Wait, you just want to look at how I did it?
No, but okay. We agree the x velocity doesn't change, right?
X velocity doesn't change.
Okay. And all we have to find is the y
Y
velocity.
velocity, yes.
Okay.
Wait, question. Why not use this?
I have to find time, but this
Yeah,
way I
well,
don't have to find time.
Yeah, time. Time is
L over V.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's do it that way.
Yeah,
So,
that's point 2.
okay. This is
Point 2.
okay. Here's my time. Okay. So then VFY is VIY is 0. This is 100 times
point 2, 20.
Oh. So okay, why isn't this also giving me 20?
weird.
No, they should agree. Why this is not giving me 20?
Something's wrong with the way you
Oh, okay. Do you see the mistake? What is the mistake?
Yeah,
Not yet.
Where is the mistake in?
I see
this
the
one?
mistake. The
Okay.
VY,
Yeah,
the initial VY is 0, right?
that's 0.
The initial acceleration at the y direction is also 0.
No, it's 100.
No,
It's always
initial
100.
acceleration at the y direction
It's
is
always-
because it
always-
was...
acceleration?
It's always 100.
Sure, yeah, sure.
But the mistake is
4.
4 because this should be dy. It actually dx is 4.
Okay, go find dy. Go
Find
find dy.
dy.
Let's see who can faster dy.
Okay.
At what is the h when velocity is 28.28?
Okay. 208.
Very good.
2 meters.
Yeah, he's right.
Is it 2?
It's 2.
You're gonna decide who won the physics weekly physics show, but it doesn't matter really. It's not winning or losing. It's loving.
Huh?
Okay. What about you?
Physics.
Yeah.
As a subject.
Yes.
Well, it's my life, so 10 out of 10, obviously.
He'd rate his life 10 out of 10? Wow, you're egotistic.
No, physics is why we.
Well, then again, yeah, you get to fill yourself up like a balloon at that diner.
Oh.
And study.
Okay. All right. Bye bye.